Signs of burnout often appear gradually, such as persistent fatigue, loss of work motivation, irritability, or feeling empty even after rest. Burnout is not merely tiredness, but a physical and emotional condition resulting from prolonged stress, whether in office work or household roles. Burnout management therapy focusing on restoring energy, regaining motivations, and establishing healthy boundaries to bring balance back into life. The process involves relaxation techniques, stress management strategies, and exercise to improve self-awareness. The result is that the body and mind recover, and zest for life returns. At Clinic Mind Body Soul, flexible services are available. Online consultation for busy schedules, in-clinic sessions for direct support, and home visit if needed. All approaches are designed to provide support according to individuals' needs. Small steps can be the start of big changes. Do not wait until exhaustion takes over. Begin the recovery journeys with professional guidance ready to help.